Are you having problems finding a competent tradesperson to repair your plaster? These days it's hard to find anyone who knows how to repair plaster. Most guys that you find are going to want to tear it out and replace it with drywall or cover it up with texture. Or if they do attempt to fix it, it usually looks pretty bad. Hi, I'm Philip Pomacchio with the American School of Plaster Restoration, and I have spent 30 years repairing plaster homes from Chicago to North Carolina. We are holding a 2-day class for do-it-yourselfers where you're going to learn crucial things like simple analysis of your plaster problems, what products to use and how to use them, how to prepare the products, how to apply and finish your repair for painting. You're going to learn how to determine what plaster system you have. You're going to recognize bonding issues and determine which bonding agent to use when. You're going to develop the ability to see through your plaster, understand the cause and the solution to your issues. You're going to get hands-on instruction in this 2 days where you're going to be able to use simple plaster repair tools, and you're going to be able to do things like repair nail holes from hanging pictures and other simple repairs, to stress cracks, to basic water damage. You're going to feel more confident to tackle most of the common repair issues that you may face at home after this class. Included with the class will be daily snacks and drinks and catered lunch on site. And by the way, we're in a 1870s mansion. When you come in the first night, we're going to have an open reception where we're going to get oriented, and we're going to have a little wine and cheese, and we're going to find out where you're at and what you need. We will provide transportation to and from the hotel that we recommend. You're going to get a basic toolkit to keep and take with you when you're done. You're going to get a notebook with basic outline of the course where you can add in your own notes. And you're going to get 3 free months of access to the DIY section of our website, where you will be able to find the ultimate guide to plaster repair as well as a playback of the video where you took this class, and you can review that at will. You will be responsible for your own lodging and dinner. It's important that you sign up now so you can receive the discount, because the closer it gets to class time, the higher the class will be.